Have you ever noticed a wandering or lazy eye in your iPhone photos and wondered how to fix it? This is a common issue that can subtly affect the appeal of your photos. The phenomenon known as a lazy eye can cause problems like unsynchronized eyes, noticeable head tilt, or squinting. While these might seem minor, they can significantly impact the overall quality of your photos, making them less attractive or engaging. Fortunately, there are ways to fix this issue and enhance your iPhone photography skills. The first technique to combat the lazy eye problem is to change the subject's focus. This strategy revolves around manipulating the gaze of the person in front of the lens. Depending on whether the lazy eye is drifting inward or outward, you'll need to adjust their focus accordingly. For an inward drifting eye, ask the subject to look away from the lens center. Conversely, for an outward drifting eye, have them look towards the lens center. Training the subject's eye focus is crucial. It's like a gym workout for the eyes. But remember, just as with any strenuous activity, it's essential to take breaks. Prolonged periods of intense focus can cause discomfort and increase the likelihood of the lazy eye drifting off. By mastering this technique, you can significantly reduce the appearance of a lazy eye in your photos. A little patience, understanding, and practice can go a long way in enhancing the quality of your captured memories. The second method to tackle the lazy eye problem is to change the angle of your shot. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite simple. Sometimes it's the shooting angle that's making the lazy eye more noticeable. So what can you do? Change your perspective. Imagine you're taking a photo of a friend. Instead of standing directly in front of them, try moving to their side or even getting a little higher and shooting downwards. By adjusting your position, you're essentially changing the angle at which you're capturing the image. Now, how does this help with the lazy eye? It's all about focus. When you shift your shooting angle, you're forcing the subject's eye to focus entirely on the camera. The result? Both eyes appear to be looking in the same direction. It's a clever trick that can make a world of difference in your photos. But remember, it's not just about moving to the left or right. Experiment with angles. Try shooting from above or even slightly below. The key is to find an angle that minimizes the appearance of the lazy eye while still capturing a flattering image. And there you have it. By experimenting with focus and shooting angles, you can significantly reduce the prominence of the lazy eye in your photos. By implementing these techniques, you can ensure that the lazy eye is less prominent or even completely invisible in your iPhone photos.